Namaskar. Somebody called me today, and that person told me that he entered into a second marriage and without giving divorce to the first wife. Now, his first wife has filed a complaint before the concerned police station. He wanted to know about his legal options. So, in this situation, I told him that there are two questions that needs to be answered. First would be the legality of the second marriage. Second question would be, what if somebody enters into a second marriage specifically in a situation when the first spouse is alive? Then, if there is any criminal action that can be taken against that person, that has to be seen also. So I told him that as per Section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act, any person who enters into a second marriage in the lifetime of the first spouse and without giving divorce to the first spouse, the second marriage would be illegal. That is unlawful and that can be declared as null and void by the concerned family court. So there is no legal sanctity attached to the second marriage. But since this is also a criminal offense, so I told him that as per section 494 of Indian Penal Code, any person who enters into this kind of second marriage in the lifetime of the first spouse, then the criminal action may be taken. And in this kind of situation, the police can register a case and a person may be punished with a maximum imprisonment of 7 years. Now, it is irrespective of the fact that a divorce case has been filed or a divorce proceeding is going on between husband and wife. Until or unless the divorce is final, the divorce has been granted by the family court, the second marriage itself amounts to an offense. Now, another question that needs to be seen is, uh, let's say this person did not tell the fact of the first marriage to the second wife. In this kind of situation, section 495 of Indian Penal Code is very specific. It says when the fact of the previous marriage has been concealed by the person who enters into the second marriage in the offense of bigamy, in that case, the maximum punishment that can be awarded would be 10 years. Another question that he asked me is very interesting. He asked me, sir, what if I have the consent of the first spouse? What if my first wife told me that you can enter into the second marriage? I don't care. I don't want anything to do with you. So let me tell you, and as I have already told him also, so the consent of the first spouse does not matter. It is a criminal offense. The criminal action may be taken, and the court has the ample powers to punish that kind of person. So, just by entering into the second marriage, this person gave a ground of cruelty to the wife. He committed cruelty upon the first wife, and that first wife can now take divorce on this ground alone. Again, I am telling you, this second marriage in the lifetime of the first spouse, as per Section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act, is illegal. That is void. And a criminal case can be registered against that kind of person, and there can be a substantive imprisonment that can be awarded. If you have any questions related to it, you can ask me. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that.